Hey guys, welcome to Furnishing Standards. In today's video, we're going to be assembling the two-piece vanity set from Coaster Furniture, an espresso finish. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, like the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Okay guys, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and lay it on its flat surface there, get all the content out. So as you can see here, the vanity comes with one vanity table, one vanity seat, 4 legs for the vanity. You get their instructions. You're also going to get 16 screws with 16 washers. You're also going to get 2 knobs, 2 screws. You're also going to get 4 legs for the vanity. And so you can make sure the mirror is in here. So now that you see what we got here, we'll go ahead and start assembling it. Okay guys, now that we have the vanity laying flat on its tabletop, we're going to grab the legs. There should be 4 legs, and we're going to grab the screws there, and we're going to insert them on each corner. Each leg takes 2 screws, and we'll go ahead and do that. One quick thing I did notice here, you're going to have to move the drawers forward on both sides so you can access the inner parts to screw in the legs. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and show you how to do the first one. Now that we got it in this position, let's go ahead and grab one of the legs. We're going to insert the leg here. We're going to grab 2 of the screws that they provide us with. It's going to be these 2 right here. Take a look there. We're going to go ahead and put one on the top. And we're going to put the second one here at the bottom. Go ahead and tighten these down. We'll do the same for this one. And once we got it tight, go ahead and get your Phillips screwdriver there and go ahead and tighten it down. And we got one more here. Okay, now that they're both tight, let's go ahead and do it for all the other 4. Okay guys, now that I showed you how to do one, I'm gonna go ahead and do all 4 legs. Now that we got all 4 legs on, let's go ahead and flip the table, add the knobs to the drawers. Let's go ahead and put the drawers back in before you flip the table. Okay guys, now that we have it in this position, we're going to go ahead and add the knobs to the drawers. This will be a pretty simple process. I'll grab the camera and show you how it's done. So now we got the drawer out. We're going to go ahead and grab one of the screws, and we're going to grab the knob. We're going to put the screw inside the hole there. As you can see, it came out on this side. Once we got it out on this side, we're going to go ahead and hold the screw down and turn the knob. Once we got the knob all the way down, we'll go ahead and grab our screwdriver and we'll hold it in place here and we'll tighten it down. So this way you have a nice strong hold on there. So now it's going to be working pretty good. So let's go ahead and do it to the other one. Now that we have one knob on, let's go ahead and put the other one on. Same process as before. We'll get the screw, we'll get the knob, put it inside the hole there, screw this in. Once it's pretty tight in there, you'll grab your Phillips screwdriver there, and we'll tighten it down. So we're now down to our final step. We're going to go ahead and assemble the stool. The stool is very similar to the table legs. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and show you a close-up of how it's done. So now this is the bottom of the stool. This is going to be one of the legs here. We're going to grab 2 of the screws that they provide us with. We're going to insert the leg at the corner here. Once it's in the corner, we're going to insert 1 screw on the top. And we'll unscrew the second one here. Once we go ahead and tighten these down, we'll go ahead and grab our Phillips screwdriver there, and we'll go ahead and tighten this. Okay, now that it's nice and tight, we'll go ahead and insert the other four. Now that we have one leg on, let's go ahead and add the other 3 legs onto the stool. Now that we're finished, we'll go ahead and put it all together and I'll show you a good close-up of it.